Guys, it's Tech Club here, so I'm going to show you how to create your own logo for free. So you need to go to logomaker.thehalf.com. So what you're going to need to do is, if you want to keep this logo, you can. But if you want to make a new one, you just press new. And it will come up with this. And it just gives you if you want to change or not. So we're on the blank template. We want to add some text. Let's design a logo for the Tech Club. We've recently had our logo redone, so we got this here. And if you want to mess around with it, like bold, italics, and you could duplicate it with this, but I don't really want to duplicate it. And also you can make it bigger using here. And then you go into symbols. And you could find things. There's all sorts of categories. I'm gonna find technology. Oops, technology. The Mac is being a bit slow. This is technology. And I want to have a watch. I can have it like this. And if you want it to go backwards, you can have it like this. And mine doesn't really go well because there's a black screen, so I'm going to change it to blue. That's about right. Just put it in the middle. There we go. Or I can just put it this so it's just TC. That's what we did in our other logo. But our very old logo, well, not our old logo, our one that we started off with, didn't have TC on it. So we've got this here, and if you want to add shapes, like let's do a circle around it. I'm gonna make it as big as this, and then I'll send it backwards. Look, there's a new logo. And then you can make it into a business card if you want. And you can just choose out of these business cards. But I'm okay with that, so I'll just keep it as this. And then you can either choose to use an image, and once you've done, you want to go here, and then you just put an email address, and then save and continue, and then you should get an email. And thank you for watching. This is Tech Club, and see ya. Bye.
Right there, we have two new channels. One, Tech Club Gaming. Tech Club Gaming is where we're going to be doing different gaming videos, like maybe Minecraft, Apex, Fortnite.
And also we have a channel called Learn Easy Mandarin. So we're going to be teaching you Mandarin because we know lots of Mandarin and we want to share our talent.